Welcome back to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us see in detail about the global change in activities. By default, the activity IDs would be shown like this. Using feature like global change, you can make changes to all activities or a selected group of activities at one time. You can also use the global change to edit existing values, assign new values, or delete a group of activities from your project. Let's try it now. Choose the project, go to Activities window, then choose Tools and click on Global Change. You can select any global change from here and click Apply Change. Otherwise, you can click on Modify to make any change in the global change. See here, the revised duration has been set as 2 times the original duration, which you can change if required. Once you're done with necessary changes, you can click on Apply Change option. You can view the data changes in the Global Change Report window. To accept the changes displayed in the Global Change Report window, click on Commit Changes. To cancel the global change and return to the original state, click Cancel Changes. Similarly, you can select any global change that is available globally or only to the specified users. When you click on Global Change, select the subject area for the global change statement. You need to select Activities if you want to change all activities information. You need to select Activity Resource Assignments if you want to change resource information. If you want to change Activities Expense information, select the Project Expenses category. Define if, then, and else statement to specify the data that you want to change. You can define an unlimited number of if, then, or else statements. Generally, I use the global change for renumbering the activity IDs once my entire scheduling is done. So friends, this is all about working with global change in Primavera P6. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like.